we are carrying on making our costumes for our ugly bug ball, and I wanted to show you what we're going to make next, which is wings. So you can be a ladybird like me.
For this craft, you're going to need 2 pieces of paper. So first of all, we're going to take our black piece of paper and use that to make our backpack. First, I want you to cut 2 small strips off your piece of paper. They're going to make the sleeves for your backpack. Now is your chance to pause the video.
Okay, so now we're left with 2 strips of paper and 1 bigger piece left over. And the smaller pieces are going to make the sleeves, and the big piece is going to make the backpack part, I guess. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the smaller pieces first. So we'll get rid of the big piece. So we're going to take the 2 smaller pieces and make them into a circle, kind of like what we did with our hat. Okay, so you know what we need, Kinder 2? We need the glue. So let's just glue each end like so, and then we are going to turn it into a circle. There we go. Okay, I'll do it with the other one. 2. So we have 2 sleeves for our arms to go in.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
So now we need to attach our sleeves to our backpack. So we're going to stick the 2 sleeves onto each end of our backpack like this. Now I'm going to use some glue to do this, but if you have a stapler, that might keep it a bit more secure for when you're going to wear it. So I'm going to do the glue now, and I think you guys can do the glue too, but it might not be very secure. So you might have to ask Mummy and Daddy if they have a stapler that you can borrow. So here we go, I'm sticking it here. Like this, and this is going to go, your arms are going to go through these parts to wear like a backpack. Okay, and we're going to do the next stage. So this is what you should have next, okay?
Now is your chance to pause the video. Now we're moving on to making the wings for our ladybird in my case, or whatever insect you've chosen. So what I'm going to do is take my red piece of paper and I'm going to draw a semicircle onto the paper and then fold it in half and cut them out so that it makes 2. If you're doing a butterfly, you can draw butterfly-shaped wings. If you're going to be a bee, you can draw bee-shaped wings. You don't have to be a ladybird. You can choose what you want and do it on a different colored paper and do a different shape. Now is your chance to pause the video.
Okay, so once you have drawn your semicircles and cut them out, you should have 2 semicircles, which we are going to make look like ladybird's wings. We're going to stick them onto our backpack. So what we're going to do next is we're going to draw some small circles to make our dots. So I have drawn a few already. You can see them here. And I'm going to draw some more on this side. And remember, we're going to try and make it symmetrical because ladybirds have symmetrical wings. We need the same number of dots on each side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need to put 5 dots on this side. Now, Kinder 2, you can either draw your dots, or if you want to, you can cut them out of black paper and stick them on. This time for me, I think I am going to draw them on and colour them in.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
Okay, so I've drawn all of my circles and I'm going to colour them in with my black pen.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
So there we have my ladybird wings came with two, and now we're going to attach them to the backpack. So I'm going to bring it back. Here it is, and this bit is going to be a little bit tricky because we already have the sleeves attached. So we're going to have to turn it over, and the ladybird wings are going to go here. Okay, so I'm going to put the glue on here. I'm just going to do not all the way to the bottom because the backpack doesn't go all the way to the bottom. Okay, so put it here like this, because I've decided my ladybird is flying, so I'm going to have the wings open. And there we go, there we have our ladybird wings backpack.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
So here you should have your ladybird backpack. Please let the glue dry first, because if not, it's going to break. And then you're going to put your arms inside the hoops, like you do with your coat, your jacket. And you're going to have a backpack. And then if you add your antenna, which is hard for me today, there we go. You are a ladybird. We have our costume.